I was sent this set of 6 sediment water filters and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video, so here goes. These are 10-inch by 2.5-inch filters, and you're going to get 6 of them in the pack. They come all individually wrapped, and these are made with a smooth finish on them without any adhesive, so it's a food-grade filter that you can use to filter your tap water, drinking water in your home. These are going to be made to remove dirt, impurities, rust, oxide pollutants, anything suspended in the water. It's going to get captured here from that tap water to try to clean that up before you get to the point where you're consuming the water. This is a standard size, that 10-inch that these filters use, with a standard size hole for a 10-inch housing to mount with this filter. It's nice that they're bright white, so as you can look at the filter over time, if you have a clear housing, you'll be able to see it change color as it gets more dirty over time and know when to clean that out. But typically, these are going to be used for about 3 to 6 months, just depending on the incoming water you're dealing with. You're going to want to make sure you flush about 5 gallons of water through this filter before you start to use it in normal use, just to clean it all out and get it ready to go. Let's get this installed into my water filter system and see how they work. So to install my filter, I'm going to need to turn off the main water line. Do that with my valve right here. And then I'm going to release the pressure that's in the filter currently. You do that with the pressure relief valve that's at the top here. Or in this case, I'm going to use this other system I have to just release any pressure that's already built up in the lines. Just let that drain out a little bit. So that way when I remove that filter housing, it won't be as stiff and won't splash all over the place. I've got a drain bucket here I'm going to put underneath the filter as well. Then I'm going to take my filter wrench that came with my filter and going to go ahead and loosen up the housing at the bottom here. To stop the filter from dripping, I can turn this valve on the top of my filter to the off position like this. And that'll isolate the valve. Now I'm just going to remove the old filter from the housing. Insert the new filter in the center of the housing. Take the housing and attach it to the top of the water filter system. Turn my lever back to the filter mode. And now I'm going to turn on my main water line. And just about immediately, the filter will fill back up. Check for leaks around the edges here, and we're ready to go. So that's it. That's how you change your sediment water filter. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.